Hey guys, this is how to search for filters on your Instagram. So let's get into it and find this option in your Instagram. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your Play Store or App Store first and then search here for your Instagram app and make sure that you are using the updated version of your Instagram. And the next step is to simply open your Instagram app and then click on the plus icon at the middle bottom, and now you have to just click on the story. So once you are here, you have to just click a picture or select a picture from your gallery. And the next step is to simply click on the filters option, which is the next option to the stickers at the top right of this interface. Now you have to just select for any of the filter that you want to select for your image or picture. Make sure that you are connected with a stable internet connection and your account must be private. So then you will find here the filters option in your Instagram. Due to unstable internet connection, the all filters are not showing in my case. So you must try a stable internet connection while using this filters option in your Instagram. So once you selected your favorite or the desired filter for your Instagram story, you have to just click on the next. So yes, by following these steps, you will be able to search for your filters in your Instagram.